Hi family, thank you for coming back and watching another one of my videos. If this is your first time, welcome. I hope you enjoy this video and please come back and watch many more of my videos to come. Hi my YT family, I am back with another beautiful centerpiece. But first, I would like to let you know that I am praying for you and your families during this time of the coronavirus. Okay, so you guys be safe out there and take all the precaution possible to protect yourself. Okay, now pause. Take time out to push that subscribe button, that like button, and the notification bell on so you can know each and every time I load a video. Okay, go ahead on and do it right now. It doesn't cost you anything. Okay, so again, I'm getting ready to do a beautiful centerpiece made out of this rose colored crushed glass. Okay, here are the supplies you would need. Flowers from Michael's, cut up glass from Michael's craft store, a round mirror from Michael's, Mod Podge Michael's, ribbon from Michael's. This is an option. Some jewelry from Michael's. Okay, from the Dollar Tree, this vase, some foam brushes, diamond wrap, and these glasses, these champagne glasses, I purchased these from a thrift store. They was 25 cents a piece. Okay, don't forget your scissors and your glue gun. You ready? Okay, the first thing you want to do is make sure that your glasses are clean. Okay, just wipe them off. Okay, now it's time for us to paint each one of our glasses. Okay? Now we're going to take a pause and take time out to subscribe, like, and turn your notification bell on. Okay? Thank you so much. It didn't cost anything to do that, did it?